So we're at the AFL Grand Final in Perth, listening to some funky music, even though it looks like we're really in Brisbane. We've got it all organised though. We've got a screen.
We're sitting at a table we're not meant to be sitting at. We haven't paid $79 to be sitting here.
We kind
We
of...
snuck in.
Sure, at some point we're going to be asked to leave,
Yeah.
but we'll deal with that when the time comes.
But we got something better happening later.
Yeah, let's see how the night progresses. We'll keep you informed. What do you think, Kristen?
Leave it up to me to organise it, huh? Hello.
Hello.
Anyway, the aircraft will fly over Mount Coot-tha and Suncorp Stadium and then head south along the river to South Bank to the Goodwill Bridge before repositioning. They'll fly east along the Kangaroo Point Cliffs towards the Story Bridge, right where we are. We are going to show you a good time.
But the problem we've got is we walk past the foyer where you're supposed to book in, and we've just snuck in here. So we're going to be asked to leave.
We're going to go before we're asked.
So we're going to go before we ask. We're going to find another vantage point. Let's see where we end up.
We are such rule breakers. Oh, you're videoing.
Of course we are. We're videoing.
Spin around so you can see the back. See the Story Bridge in the background. No, get the bridge. Can you see the bridge? Oh God, I just realised how bossy I am. I am so bossy.
Yeah. Well, you heard it first.
I'm admitting I am so bossy. But look where we are. This is why we had to spin around. Where's the bridge? Can you see the bridge? Hang on.
It's got to be back
there. It is. See, there's the bridge. And if we keep videoing for the next 4 minutes, you'll see an AAF C-17. Big, massive, Herculesy type looking thing fly right past us.
So she's good with numbers too, see?
Well, only because I just read it.
Came
that way. Oh, here.
Yeah, I can hear it.
I can hear it. Here it comes. That's my university over there with the red, yellow, orange.
This is what this is created. Kristen, what's coming? What's coming, Kristen? What's coming?
I'm speechless. I can't
Hey,
concentrate. I just want to see.
What do you reckon's coming?
What was that? Oh shoot!
disappointed with that formation.
Hey babe. Sorry, I'm concentrating.
You what?
I'm concentrating.
You're concentrating.
Yeah.
So we're at South Bank to watch River Fire. Kristen's so happy.
Trying to place a bet.
So she's trying to place a bet on the football.
On Smithy.
We're here to watch River Fire tonight
Yeah.
in Brisbane. And Kristen and I are so excited about watching River Fire.
You are so drunk.
Looks like river fire to me.
That is not river fire. That's AFL.
Doesn't look AFL. Well, it doesn't look like AFL to me.
We're not
So we
watching
just-
river fire at all.
So we just ordered some food, and Kristen thinks that I'm drunk because she thinks we're watching river fire.
We're not going to see one firework.
So
We're
what-
watching the AFL.
Where are we?
game.
We're watching the AFL
Just
Grand
remember
Final.
this next year when it's time for like
Oh,
river fire.
can we
next
see in the
year.
video the fingers starting to point? Watch when a lady's finger starts to point. You need to watch it.
Next year, let's watch the fireworks.
Oh, we're gonna watch the fireworks.
Because
Before the Grand Final.
as this evening goes on, you will notice that there is not one firecracker going off on this video. It'll all be AFL. And I did this because I'm such a nice girlfriend. When I arranged all of this, and I said to the lady behind the bar here, when I booked this restaurant, I want to see the fireworks and AFL. But as you will notice, the fireworks will go completely out the window because it'll be all about him watching the AFL.
Give us a kiss, baby. It's never about me. Ever. Ever.
It's about him.
It's never about
And
me.
you know what he always says? It's always about you, Kristen. It's like, oh yeah, blah, blah, blah. But here we are watching the AFL at the only time Brisbane goes off with fireworks.
You know, you're really sexy when you do that blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah. Brady, we should go outside and watch the fireworks.
Really?
Really?
How is it?
It's spectacular.
Is it really?
It's seriously good. You want to come and see?
Oh, I was looking after the table.
Like the whole bridge is in like red, like amazing. Come with me. Come with me. They light stuff up. There you go. Look.
It's a river fire. And you said we were coming here just for the AFL.
I want to watch the game.
You watch the game.
We're going to miss the start of the game.
It's the start of the game.
Whoa.
You heard it first from Brisbane. You're going to miss the what?
The start of the game.
Great people.
Great people. No, really.
Great carpenters.